Hello everyone and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So first of all, I want to talk about the deal of the day, my friends, the pound CHF. It actually almost worked. It has reversed just like 5 pips far from the entry. However, thankfully, some of you guys have actually took the signal. As you can see here, this guy, he says currently in deep profit. It's a sell for the whole day and he is happy with the results. So I believe many of you guys have actually took the signal and enjoyed the profits. And actually, guys, that's the reason I'm saying to everyone to join the free group of Telegram. It's for your own benefit, my friends. Let me show you. This is the free group of Telegram. And here yesterday, I have sent this update about the deal of the day. I said that some of you have actually took the signal and I advise everyone to close the trade right now in 54 pips of profit because the market has just reversed or actually hit a previous level of the resistance at 1.12715. That's exactly what happened right here. As you can see, guys, this was of course the previous level of the resistance, and as we can see, those who have taken this signal of the pound CHF already closed it in 54 pips of profit. And as you can see, it seems like the pound CHF is indeed getting ready now for the bullish reversal. So that's the reason I'm advising everyone to join the free group of Telegram, because guys, here you will be updated about any signal, even the gold. Check out this one. Gold signal from weekly analysis video is activated, but due to the ISM PMI news, highly advised to not open the trade. Check what happened with the gold signal yesterday. Check this out. The gold is currently running in loss. It's running in about 42 pips of loss so far. And those who have actually joined the free group of Telegram, they thankfully have avoided the gold signal because I have already sent here the notification informing them to not open the trade. So anyway, again guys, I'm advising everyone to join the free group of Telegram. It's a free, guys. You don't have to pay anything at all. You need to join this group to be updated and to be part of the team and to actually receive these updates about the weekly and the midweek signals. Anyway, without further ado, let's now begin with the midweek analysis, and as usual, let's start with the EURUSD. So of course we are still going to sell the EURUSD, but now I feel like we need to adjust the entry point for one reason. Right now, we had right here, of course, a strong bullish engulfing candle, and it seems like the EURUSD is indeed now going to continue the rise till it reach at least the highest level of the previous resistance right here at 1.07415. So that means that we need to adjust our entry to be almost right there, exactly right there. Exactly right there. Actually, I think that's even better. And let's just reduce the safe zone to be actually almost the same. Let me just increase it a little bit more to be at the peak of the resistance right here at 1.07791. And as you can see, this is going to be our new entry. And if I'm not mistaken, actually this was Fibonacci 61.8 if I'm not mistaken. Let me just, yes, almost. Oh, 50, sorry, it was Fibonacci 50, as we can see right here. Yes, fantastic. Yes, that's the right way. And as we can see, it was indeed Fibonacci 50. That's gonna be our new entry, which means we have to wait for the EURUSD to rise for another 21 pips before we can start selling the market. So until then, that's gonna be our trade for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the pound USD. Alright, so the pound USD indeed, guys, has reversed from the take profit level. And as I'm telling you always, if a signal reversed from the take profit level, it instantly disqualifies this signal. I mean, you can never open a trade if the market has reversed just from the take profit level. Then it goes to the entry, then should never ever open the trade. So now what's next with the pound USD? Let me first of all delete the old signal. And let's see now, my friends, what we can do next with this pair. Actually, let me move to the daily chart. Now, the daily chart shows us that the pound USD has indeed respected the previous level of the support at 1.23676. And that candle right here represents the actual retest of that level of the support. Indicates that the pound USD has a potential actually now to continue the rise. Now, let me just check the trend lines for that purpose. Let's just draw here the support trend line from this lower low all the way to this higher low, just like that. Check this out. So indeed, the market, guys, has reversed exactly on that level of the previous support, respecting also the support trend line, which means that the pound USD is most likely now going to continue the rise. Our take profit level has already been hit, and that means that the market has already retested the broken level of the resistance right here at 1.23676. Therefore, I prefer now to find a good level to start buying this pair. Let's now move to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, what we can see right here is actually a strong level of the previous support, exactly right there at 1.24040. If we look at the past, we can notice that this level has indeed been always respected as a real level of the support. We had here a few fake breakouts from that level, but this level has always been respected as a real level of the support. Recently, we had a fake breakout and one real level of the support. Now, let's wait for the market to fall all the way right here to reach the same level of the previous support, and we will end up with inverted head and shoulders pattern, which indicates that the pound USD is indeed going to continue the rise. So that being said, let me just go here. We have to wait for the market to fall for another 34 pips before we can start buying the market. And the take profit level, let me now switch to the 4 hour time frame. The take profit level has got to be placed just right there at the real level of the resistance, as we can see at 1.25069, which means our take profit level is going to be almost 103 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than this level of the previous support at 1.23518, because actually, guys, this is going to be the lowest level of a next real support, and most likely, guys, the market won't actually go below that level. If it does, then this setup is no longer valid. That means that our safe zone is going to be ranging for about 52 pips against 102 pips of profit. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. Guys, again, another reminder that if anything happened against these signals or this direction, I will send here on the free group of Telegram an update telling you that we should actually not enter this signal, or we have to avoid entering it. So again, of course, I will notice the price action. If I notice any price action going really against our direction, I will update you guys there. Anyway, back to the AUDUSD. The AUDUSD has almost reversed from the entry point. It just reversed like 6 pips far away from the entry and went in total of 60 pips and now currently running in about 41 pips. But of course, it wasn't activated. So now what we can do next with this pair? Actually, we are still going to buy the AUDUSD. If we look now at the daily chart, we can notice that the market has indeed yesterday retested that level. And by the way, I have taken this trade and made more than $150 profit. It was really a good deal, and I'm so happy about it. I wish I made a video about it, but it was just not the good time, and I was not in the mood to record. Anyway, let's see now what we can do next with this pair. I mean, clearly the AUDUSD still has about more than 53 pips more to go, but I believe that the pair is actually going to continue to fall again to retest the broken level of a support right here exactly at 0.65906. Let me explain to you why. Let me just first of all delete the old signal so it won't actually confuse us. Let's now go now back to the 4 hour time frame. So as you can see right here, we're having the Fibonacci retracement, and as you can see, the market has originally reversed from Fibonacci 50. And that means that the market right now actually, guys, has made an actual bullish breakout from 61.8. And as I'm telling you always, if the market reversed from 61.8, it means that we are still on a downtrend. If it actually broke out from 61.8, it means that this trend is no longer bearish. It's going to be an upper trend, and the market is going to continue the rise. So that means that we are having not only one, but two bullish breakouts from 61.8. So that means that at a certain point, we have to continue buying the AUDUSD. Let's now take a look at the trend lines. So as you can see right here, we're having that trend line. And as you can see, the market has indeed respected that level of a support trend line. We can notice that the market has respected it here, 1, 2, 3, and then it became a resistance trend line for one single attempt, then immediately being broken out from. Then again, the same level of a support trend line has been respected, which means we are having here number 1 support trend line, and right here support trend line number 2, and most likely we can start buying the AUDUSD right on the 3rd attempt of the support trend line. So let's take a look at the left side to find a strong level of a support. Of course, we need to find the real level of the support, and there it is right here, exactly as you can see right here, my friends. This was indeed the real level of the support, as you can see. And as you can see in the middle also, we had fake breakout number 1, fake breakout number 2. Meanwhile, this was of course the real level of the support. So that being said, we can safely buy the AUDUSD exactly at 0.65958, and the target has got to be placed at least, let me just zoom out just to be sure, Yeah, right here at the level of the resistance, exactly right here at Fibonacci 100 at 0.67083, which means we can actually expect to make approximately 110 pips profit from this signal. Meanwhile, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than this level of the previous resistance at 38.2 Fibonacci retracement for about, I would say, 46 pips. And that's it for the AUDUSD. Let's now move to the USDCAD. And before we continue, please guys don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so let's now check the USDCAD. Actually guys, this signal was it was really a perfect one. And as you can see, the USDCAD has reversed exactly and precisely from the entry level of the sell order at 1.34623. As you can see, the trade is currently running in 22 pips. And of course, we don't hear anything in the comments about this. I mean, it's okay. I mean, I got used to it. We barely have 1 or 2 comments maximum, not even 2, only 1 maybe, saying that they made profit with the signal. The rest are just, you know, watching. Anyway, what we can do next with the USDCAD? Actually, absolutely nothing. The USDCAD, guys, seems like it's gonna still be respected, and the signal is still valid. We can actually expect right here a second attempt of the resistance trend line, as you can see. So meaning nothing can be done actually about the USDCAD. Yeah, right now we are actually facing here a support level, and maybe the USDCAD is gonna make another pullback, and it's gonna reverse right on the second attempt of the resistance. Therefore, nothing is gonna be changed for the USDCAD. The signal remains the same. Let's now take a look at the USDJPY. Alright, so the USDJPY signal actually was going in loss for about 39 pips, but thankfully right now it is reversing. So actually guys, again, the USDJPY is facing that level of a strong support zone right here, and actually it was somehow devastating for me. I mean, I thought that it's gonna be actually running in loss, but right now those 3 candles has appeared right now, and seems like the USDJPY is indeed getting ready for the bullish reversal. And if we check here the support trend line, we can notice indeed that the support trend line is indeed being respected. As you can see right here, that level of the support trend line is being respected, and seems like we had here a fake breakout, and now the market is indeed respecting that level of a USDJPY. So again, USDJPY signal also remains the same. It seems to me like the market now is getting ready for the bullish reversal. If you wish to open that trade right now, please go ahead and open it right now. So that's everything for the USDJPY. Moving now to the USDCHF. Alright, the USDCHF also was a good signal, actually a perfect one. As we can see so far, it's running in about 47 pips of profit and total of 56 pips. It was a good signal, and thankfully that level of a real resistance right here at 91184 has indeed been respected. But now what's next with the USDCHF? Right now the USDCHF is actually facing right here a support trend line, as you can see, and seems like the market is indeed respecting that level of a support trend line, but not for so long. Keep in mind that we have right now reached the what do you call it, actually the bottleneck. So actually we can actually expect right now a price explosion. So as you can see, this is the USDCHF, and it's actually trapped inside of this triangle right here. So it is actually reaching the end of this channel, and most likely now it's going to be trapped inside of it, and eventually we will witness what we call a price explosion, which means the market is most likely going to make a strong bearish movement or a bullish one. But however, based on my analysis and the current situation, and it's a downtrend, I believe it's gonna be actually a price explosion for the bearish one, or for the bearish movement. That being said, let's now adjust the entry to be right here exactly at that level of a previous resistance at 0.90820. The USDCHF is currently gonna start the pullback journey, and most likely it's gonna reverse upon the pressure from the real resistance right here, exactly on that level, which was in the past also a real level of a resistance. We can see that right here we had number 1, 2, 3 fake breakouts from that level, meaning the market has already tried to actually make a bullish breakout from that level, but it has failed every single time. Every single time there was a bullish breakout, it has been faced with another bearish one every single time. A bullish breakout, a bearish breakout, a bullish breakout, a bearish breakout. That's actually what we call the fake breakouts, guys. That being said, let's now adjust the the take profit level to be right here at the lowest level of the support right here as 0.950, and the sell order will be actually changed to be right here exactly. Let me just edit the sell area to be at 0.090820. That's gonna be our new entry, which means we will actually be aiming. Actually, let me just go to the daily chart. Yeah, that's gonna be it. I cannot increase the take profit level. It's because actually we're having here the lowest level of a strong key support level at 0.90230. That's gonna be our take profit level, which means the safe zone ranging for 50 pips almost against 77 pips of take profit. Let's now move to the gold. Alright guys, so let's now get rid of the gold signal. I'm not feeling good about selling the market anymore. To be honest with you guys, actually, let me just show you something here on the daily chart. Actually, not even the daily chart. Let's go to the weekly chart. Right now, what we are having right here is really interesting, because we're having here a broken level of the real resistance right here at 1937.47. And as you know guys, I told you before yesterday that we're having here this candle right here, which I really trust a lot. And usually once we see this candle appeared on the support level, it usually means that the market is getting ready for the bullish reversal. And I told you that this candle has appeared below that level of a support. But what happened now is actually changing the game. The current candle right here is actually telling me that the gold is getting ready for another bullish reversal. It seems to me like the gold is not gonna give up easily, and most likely guys, for this week we are looking for a bullish movement, at least to reach that level of the resistance right here exactly at 1982. Now I'm not saying that the gold is gonna continue the rise at all. All I'm saying is that for this current week, this weekly candle right here is going to continue the rise to reach that level of a real resistance at 1982.47. And next week, we can actually start selling the gold. Maybe not next week, maybe today or tomorrow. We just have to wait for the gold to rise for another 240 pips, and then we can start selling it. But for the meantime, we will continue buying the gold. I mean, the power of this candle right here cannot actually be resisted. I mean, it's really a good one for telling us to buy the market. Now, moving to the 4-hour time frame, we can notice that right here exactly, we had a very strong real level of the support at 1953.29. By looking at the left side also, we can notice that this was indeed a real level of the support. I cannot sell the market right now if I see this kind of pattern. This usually, guys, indicates for a bullish reversal, and the gold is most likely gonna continue the rise at least to reach that level of a resistance at 1980.80. That means that we can continue buying the gold at least to reach that level of the resistance right here at 1982.97, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than this level of the lowest level of the support right here, as we can see, at 1937.56. And that means that actually our safe zone gonna be ranging for about 150 pips against 300 pips of profit. But again, I'm telling you for the last time, join the free group, guys, of Telegram to receive any update about this signal. If I have noticed any strong bearish movement right here, I'm gonna send you the signal to cancel the gold signal, and therefore you can avoid the losses, and you can actually end the signal before it reaches the edge of the safe zone. It's gonna be risky, I know, but that's my vision about the gold. So anyway, let me now write the signal for you. There goes your signal, my friends, for the gold. And again, please be careful about these signals. Just because it came from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% in profit. Always be sure that you have always prepared for the losses, and therefore always make sure that every trade you're opening is an investment, and be sure that you have prepared for any potential losses. And also, I will follow up today with another deal of the day, because even though the views are very few, I'm sure, guys, you are enjoying the deal of the day because it helps you a lot in your day trading. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.